Here's a quick rundown of the most popular versions of poker. 5-card draw is a classic poker variant, where each player is dealt 5 face-down cards, and can discard some of those cards to draw new ones to improve their hand. 5-card draw's simplicity makes it great for beginners. Stud involves players receiving a mix of face-down and face-up cards over several rounds of betting. Players cannot change their cards, making memory and observation crucial. Omaha is similar to Texas Hold'em poker, but with a twist. Players receive 4 whole cards instead of 2, and must use exactly 2 of them with 3 of the 5 community cards to make the best poker hand at the showdown. This complexity appeals to experienced players. Hold'em is the most popular variant of poker. It features 2 whole cards for each player and 5 community cards in the middle. Players can use any combination to form the best poker hand. Its simple gameplay and deep strategy make it a mainstay with major poker tournaments and casual poker nights with your friends. Yes, there are a lot of different ways you can play poker with pluses and minuses for each. But if you're not sure, just play Hold'em. For more games and fun videos, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time on Playing Games.